already.
Say, program to
Week
Roger.
2, day 2, and mag hollow body pull-ups taron. But first, weighted pull-ups.
Bench.
Oh, capacity bench.
Give me alone.
Oh, Mr. Golden Sun. Here comes the sun.
Here comes the sun.
Wala good. Papusog pa.
Ay,
Here comes the sun. And I say it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun.
here comes the sun. Do, 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 do.
It's alright.
You feeling today?
How are you feeling?
Yes.
I'm feeling lonely.
And tell me that this is no bad. Loving is good to say. Now I'm so lonely. I wish I find a love that could hold me. I'm crying, so scared to go. But still I want it more, more, more. I get sick of chasing you.
Subscribe sa tanang social media platforms sa mga kauban ako din eh. So, subscribe mo guys. Oh, Mr. Sun. Sun. Oh, Mr. Golden Sun.
Here comes the sun.
Bro,